Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Here on a BMW 3 Series, guys, generation 2005-2013, and that should cover E90, E91, 92, 93. We'll show you where to find the fuse for the electronic thermostat. Okay, you have a fuse for that thing, guys, and it's very hidden, and we'll show you how to get to it. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe, guys, to the channel for more videos. It means a lot to us for all the work we do. So now BMW, that generation 3 Series, uses 3 different fuse boxes throughout the year, so yours might be different depending on the year. Always double check everything. Now that fuse box is right under the hood, right here on the passenger side. That's where the engine computer is as well. We have a video how to remove the cover. Check it out on the channel because it's quite time consuming thing, but check it out and you'll see how to remove it if you don't know how to. Now once you remove it, guys, you have that fuse box, okay, right here, and that fuse box is usually a little bit down there, okay, push down. So by pressing this tooth in, you can pull it up. Just careful not to break any wires. Once you pull it up, guys, okay, that's where 5 fuses for the engine management are. And we're going to open right here on the side. You have one clip, okay. I'll just pry it open a little bit, and at the same time, okay, I need to pull the fuses up. Okay, so just a little bit to help them. Yeah, okay, and this is, guys, the fuse box. It comes out like that, all of them at the same time. You cannot just remove one of them. On the bottom you have one tooth here, okay, one here, one over here, you have one hidden here and one right there. When you press those in on the back side, you can gently pry the cover out. Okay, ours are already out, so I don't waste your time watching that. And those are the fuses. Fuse number 2, okay, this is fuse number 1 on the left side. Fuse number 2 is a 30 amp fuse, this one right here. And this is, guys, the fuse for the thermostat. Okay, right there. So that's your thermostat fuse. Now let me show you where the thermostat is located. Usually on the 6-cylinder engine is located down there. Really hard to get to. We'll have a video how to replace it, so make sure you check it out. So you replace that fuse, guys, and if you need new fuses or parts, check out the link in the description of the video to see where we get our parts from. I'll go ahead, okay, and close this thing. It needs to close all the way until it clicks. I'll just leave it open because we need to make a few more videos for the other fuses. Okay, go ahead. Okay, push it in. Make sure the fuses are aligned. Okay, push it until it clicks, and then don't forget to push that thing all the way down on the bracket. Okay, it's holding like that. See those relays? It's holding like that. And let me just show you quick. Okay, if you get a small screwdriver, okay, how you pull those things out. Okay, that thing, you pry it back, okay, and you pull it up. You can see just like that. So the procedure is not very complicated for removing it. Make sure that you install your cover later, because if you don't install it good, you'll get moisture and you can damage your computer. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.